Dear friends, hello, greeting. Today we'll talk about how to convert your dreams to reality, how to launch your dream. How can we do this? We can do this by the simple steps following in our life. We have to target our dreams. We have to set our goals. We have to plan. We have to put the action, and then it will be converted into reality. It sounds so simple, no? It is simple. Take a notebook, put your dreams, write your dreams, set your goals, plan it, action it, and finally it will be converted into reality. It can take time, it can take a year, it can take a 2 year, it can be done in 3 years, or it can take many years, or it can be done in 6 months. It's so simple. But then you should have that grit, patience, perseverance to convert your dreams to reality. Every time we think it that we have the set of dreams, but we are not that lucky to accomplish it. Why? Everyone is very unique, everyone is very talented, and everyone has a set of dream. Either is a big dream, small dream, but dreams are dreams. And believe me, my friends, God has given you a single chance to accomplish your dream. It is that feeling, that grit, patience, passion should be there, that comes automatically from inside to accomplish it. It is very well said that if dreams are written with date, they convert into a goal. Goals are broken down in steps to become a plan. Plan is backed by action and it is converted into reality. So what you have to do? You have to take your notebook. You have to write your dreams with date. That I have my dream to complete my examination. I want to become a research scholar. I want to become a great entrepreneur. I want to become a successful academician, whatsoever it is. You write it down with date. That day, it is converted into goal. This goal, when you broke it down into steps, it is your planning how to accomplish that dream, what are the modes to accomplish it. Then this plan, when you implement it into action, and with the duration of time, definitely it is converted into a reality. But then what is the requirement to accomplish it? You should have that grit. Patience, passion, and perseverance is required for it. You have to focus it. It can take time. Many successful people have given years for the accomplishment of their dreams. Don't ever be afraid of failing. Failing is the part of success. Let it be. If you're failing in any sort of work, lift it up. Again, start working on that particular dream, will definitely get success. And the important thing is that you have to be optimistic and you have to build your willpower. No one else will make it for you. People are there. Some people are your mentors. They will help you out. And some people will take you back. But then you have to respect your competitors because they are pushing you from back. Some people will push you from forward, some people will push you from back. But finally, success is yours. I will tell you one example which our team has recently acquired is that if you wish to file any innovative process, it is a patent. What you have to do it? You have to write it down that how you have to accomplish that goal. You have to write it down that I want to file a patent in so and so activity. Then you have to search. You have to see the pattern of writing, how it is written. You have to review your procedure. Then you have to draft your patent. Again, you have to review it. Okay, what all things you have not done it. And finally, you have to file it. Once the application is accepted, then you can go for commercialization and convert it into a successful business. people don't believe you, let it be. Believe in yourself. And if your teams believe in you, you'll get success. Believing of team is very important. Dream is not what you see in sleep. It is a thing which does not let you sleep. Friends, your dreams do not have any expiration date. Take a deep breath and try again. Let it be. If you can believe, if you can visualize your dream, it will be converted into reality, like many people have done it. It is always said that what you sow, that you reap. We sow what we reap. If you are sowing a dream, definitely you'll get a fruits out of it. But then, believe me, if you are sowing mango, you'll get mango out of it. So, think positive, be optimistic, develop your willpower. These are all key roles, key factors to develop yourself. You have to cultivate your relationship, you have to plant your ideas, and you have to harvest your dreams. Harvesting of dreams is very much required. Without dreams, your life is like a white paper, white canvas paper. Take a brush, color it, glorify it, make it very beautiful. Believe me, it will be colorful and beautiful as you imagine it. If you see that white canvas as it will remain as it is throughout your life. But if you paint it, color it, put n numbers of colors, beautiful colors the God, the Creator has given us, it will be flourished. So immediately write your dreams and start thinking on it. It will be converted into goal. Put your action plan over it. It will be converted into action. And finally, one day, it will be converted into reality. That very day will come very soon. But your passion and perseverance is must in every day. Every day you have to keep that passion inside and that perseverance inside to get that dream outside. I will tell you the examples of few people who built themselves and accomplished their dreams. Dhirubhai Ambani, he used to work in petrol. Sachin Tendulkar, he failed in 8th standard. Bill Gates have not completed his university examination. Many people used to sleep on the streets, on the floors of their friends. But then they have converted into their dreams to reality. Every time you think that the great people have acquired all your things out of it and you don't have a single thing to do now, everything is over. People are doing this n number of time. But then whatever you will do will be unique. Your uniqueness is with you, so take it out, that uniqueness. Telling about Jack Ma, he failed in primary school. He was rejected everywhere, in 10 times in Hogwarts, 30 times from the job. And then he is a very successful man today. Everyone likes to listen him now because people don't like great story. They require story of great people. So do something great in life, and that only you can do it. Thank you. Thank you all.